The beginning is exciting, the end satisfying, but the middle, well, the middle is quiet. It's where momentum dips, where doubt creeps in, where the work starts to feel just ordinary again. And that's the moment when most people stop. But if you're there, if you're in that quiet middle, don't quit. The middle isn't glamorous. It's not dramatic. It doesn't get a soundtrack. It's the third week of filming when the energy drops. It's the halfway mark on a manuscript that's lost its shine. It's the 9th video in a series you promised yourself you'd finish this weekend. The beginning had adrenaline. The end has clarity, but the middle, that just has you. Showing up, repeating the process, hoping that something is still moving beneath the surface. And it is. You just can't see it yet. When I was writing weekly origin stories, I loved it. But about halfway through, it got heavy. Not because the work got worse, but because the weight of consistency started to press down. That's when I started wondering, is this still even worth it? Is anyone even reading? Should I change direction? But the truth was, I didn't need to change. I just needed to continue. And once I got through that dip, the rhythm returned. That quiet middle didn't mean I was failing. It meant I was building something real. The creative middle is where you stop performing and start practicing. You stop trying to impress and start learning what you actually care about. It's not the shiny part, but it's the part that makes you. Because showing up in that quiet builds the kind of trust that momentum can't. So if you're in the middle, keep going. Keep showing up. Keep moving the stone. Keep doing the small thing no one will praise you for. This part matters just as much as the start or the finish, and maybe even more. Here's something to sit with this week. What's something that you've kept going, even when it got quiet, uncertain, or unrewarding? Maybe it's a piece of writing, or a ritual, or the decision to keep showing up at all. And if you like, share it in the comments, or just hold it close. And if this video gave you a little clarity, or just helped you feel less alone, well, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.